Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Private and PSU Jobs. My name is Love. I am here today to discuss one important update with you regarding Bharat Electronics Limited notification. I will discuss some important points and highlight some important points regarding selection procedure, application fees, age limit, eligible qualifications. So please be with me till the end of this video to know all the things about this update. So now let us start. As we all know, Bharat Electronics Limited is a Navratna company and it comes under the Ministry of Defence. A contract basis job has came up for the Bengaluru complex. Contract basis. So keep this in mind. Now the name of the post is Trainee Engineer 1. The number of posts are 30 and the reservations are given. You can see the number of posts for all the disciplines. Now the salary per month will be rupees 25,000 for the first year, rupees 28,000 for the second year, and rupees 31,000 for the third year. Now the job location will be BEL Bangalore initially, but I will recommend you, if you are not comfortable enough in traveling, then don't apply for this job, because you may be posted in Northeast India and Jammu and Kashmir. So keep this in mind before applying for this job. Next is age limit. The upper age limit is 25 years for the general category as on 1st April 2021, and the relaxations are also provided. For the SC/ST candidate it is 5 years, and for the OBC candidate it is 3 years. For PWD candidates who have minimum 40% disability or more will get 10-year relaxation. As I have mentioned above, it is a contract basis job, so you will be initially engaged for a period of 1 year, which may be extended up to a maximum of 3 years based on the requirement and performance of the individual. And the salary, as I have mentioned above, that will be the salary for the 3 years respectively. So keep this in mind. This is the important point. Now next, qualification. Qualification is 4-year full-time BE Tech is required from a reputed organization. That means you should come under AICTE. And the eligible disciplines are electronics and communication, and electronics and telecommunication. Now post qualification experience is required of minimum 6 months, and the experience or knowledge should be gained on the following points. Number 1, Ethernet communication. Number 2, Ethernet layers. Number 3, switching equipments like routers, switches, hubs. And you can read the following, and if you have knowledge or experience in these points, then you can apply for this job. And the responsibilities you can read from the PDF. What are the responsibilities you will have to take care of, otherwise video will get longer. Now an important point is there. Please read this point very carefully before applying for this job. That if you have any academic or teaching or research experience, then it will not be considered as relevant industrial experience. That means you should have genuine industrial experience, because they will see the experience certificate or document issued by the previous company. So keep this in mind before applying for this job. Now next, selection procedure. 75% weightage is given to the BE Tech marks, 10% weightage is given to the industrial experience, and 15% weightage is given to the interview. So if you have good marks in BE Tech, then there is a high chance that you may be selected. Now you should compulsorily mention CGPA conversion to percentage of marks as prescribed by the university. This is also an important point. So know the CGPA conversion to percentage of marks as prescribed by the university and tell them. Now they will shortlist in the ratio of 1:5. This is the also important thing. So prepare well for the interview. Now how to apply? You will have to visit the link I will give in the description box of this video. then you will reach the careers page of the BEL website. Then you will have to first register yourself, and then you will have to log in and fill the application form, and at last you will have to pay the application fees, which is 200 rupees, and your form will be completed. The starting day of this application is 12th May 2021, and the last date of submission of application is 20th May 2021. So please apply as soon as possible. And the documents to be submitted are given below. You can read it out from the PDF. And one important thing is that the selected candidates will get a consolidated amount of rupees 10,000 per year for the expenses like medical insurance premium, attire allowance, stitching charges, footwear allowance. So this is the important thing. Now the application fees, as I have mentioned above, is 200 rupees, and SC, ST, OBC will not have to pay any fee. Now some emails and telephone number are also given. You can contact them if you have any query during the filling of the application form. So these are the emails and phone number. You can contact them, but please contact them in the office hours only. So this was the notification I want to discuss with all of you. You can also ask me query in the comment box. I will try to answer each of the query. So thank you for watching. If you like the content and if you want this kind of job update, then please like, subscribe and share my channel. I will meet you in the next video with new job update. Till then, goodbye, take care.